I'm going to launch this airplane from the 8th floor of the building right now. I've wanted to do this for a very long time. The moment has finally arrived. I apologize for the video quality. I thought the iPhone 17 took better photos at night. Just look at how he flew off. I'm going to go look for my little plane now, because I don't need it and it will come in handy for future episodes. Now I'll show you how to make this paper airplane.
Origami University.
For this airplane, we will need a regular A4 sheet. In this case, mine is green. First, we find the center, fold it, then fold the triangles to the center, then fold again as shown by me, and then fold the right half and the left half once more. Smooth everything out very well. Now unfold it, make a fold along this. Align the wings, and now we will need some tape to secure this entire structure. So we attach it approximately here. Next, take scissors and cut a small notch for our launcher. It's triangular in shape, a rubber band will be inserted here, and the plane will fly very fast. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel if you love origami as much as I do.